Hi guys, it's me Haspe with WTI.
The second I pulled the sling out, my dog knows we're going on a walk. He's only 5 pounds and he literally hops right in, and that's how much he loves it. What makes him love this Tomkas sling is how thoughtfully it's made. The fabric is so soft and breathable, so it's very comfortable for both of us, even when I wear it for longer periods. And I really appreciate the adjustable strap. There's no shoulder strain at all. It also has a safety lock strap on the inside, plus two additional security locks, which keeps him securely in place while I move around. I never have to worry about him trying to pick or wiggle out. And the little front pocket is super useful because I can just throw in treats, my phone, or a little poop bag, and I'm out the door. But my favorite part is how relaxed he gets in there. He just curls up, enjoys the ride, and we get this quiet, close moment together. It makes even a quick walk feel special. And if he ever gets tired, well, this is what we use. So if your dog loves being held, this sling becomes their favorite spot to be.
But that's just our point of view.